My name is Amy Anderson, and I am an interior designer as well as design studio manager. I have not been with Elevation Basements for too long. I am just starting my journey with them. I meet with home buyers to make interior finish selections, as well as help run the operations in the design studio. I am a big believer that your external environment affects how you feel internally. So I love helping people make selections that they love and they can relax with friends and family. We do a great job in providing a wide variety of material options that will suit every lifestyle, look, and budget. I enjoy working with Elevation Basements because they are so dedicated and care about their clients as much as we do as designers.